Okay, welcome to Texas. Nice little snowstorm today. They say about 7 inches out here on my back porch. And we go in this direction. It's a beautiful day, but in the Panhandle of Texas, you just never know what kind of weather you're going to get. It could be 70 degrees one day and a snowstorm the other day. At least they seen this one coming. It's supposed to snow until midnight tonight. They're saying approximately 7 to 8 inches. And here we go. My beautiful neighborhood. And the snow makes it look that much nicer. Okay, people. Just wanted to show you that. Take care.